Are you facing any problems with Google Autofill not working on Android? If so, then this video guide will help you to fix password autofill error and make the app working again. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check and enable Google Password Manager. Here's what to do. First, launch Settings on phone. Now, move down to Passwords and Accounts. Here, check and enable option below Additional Providers. This will enable several services on your phone. Method 2. Force restart your Android. The next thing you should do is restart your device once. Just long press the power button unless the power off menu appears. From there, choose the restart option and then wait unless your device is turned on. Method 3. Clear cache of Password Manager. Follow the steps. First, long press on the Password Manager app to open the info menu. Now, click on the Force Stop option. After that, move to Storage and Cache. Here click on the Clear Cache option. Method 4. Don't forget to create entries. If Password Manager autofill not working on Android, then you should check whether you have created the entries or not. Manually creating entries requires adding the proper service name with the app. Method 5. Update Android software. You should check and if any update is available, then do it. Follow the steps. First, go to Settings, System Update or About Phone. Here, tap Check for updates. If any update is available, tap on Download and Install. Method 6. Choose your favorite password manager. Follow the steps. First, go to Settings, then Passwords and Accounts on your phone. Now, open Passwords, Passkeys and Data, then go to the Password Manager. Click on the button. Method 7. Exit from beta apps. Many users use the beta version of the app and this can create problem. It is due to autofill password is disabled on beta apps from the developer side. So you should get out of beta apps and wait for stable version. Method 8. Boot device in safe mode. Booting the device in safe mode can help to identify the culprit app if any. First, long press power button unless power off menu appears. Now, click and hold power off icon unless safe mode is seen at bottom screen. Method 9. Enable autofill feature in third-party apps. Ensure to enable third-party autofill password manager if you are using. First, launch 1Password on your phone. Now, click on profile icon, open settings. Here, select autofill, then enable it.